Hello viewers, welcome back to Eha Designs. Printed Tassil Salvas in another part on it. Living on the online purchase and the styling through purchase. Pure Tassa fabric all over the block prints of all the floral printed unstitched suit. This is a beetroot color, a dark violet blend. Block printed concept printed dupatta and good pair. Contrast pants. This is a full set. Price is 3,995. Mumbai salwars 4,000 above. Dupatta closer shot. Finishing printing. Styling through purchase. That's color grey and blue. Or indigo concept. Correctly, or indigo concept. Grey and blue color concept with printed dupatta pants. Designer combination. Time at the workers combination set. Mustard, beautiful mustard with all over print. Or coffee and mustard color blend. That's a good pair digital dupatta pants. Next one is blue. Blue is self floral designs embroidery. Shawl. Correct. We handle the print. They feel tone to tone pants. Combination 3,995. Next color is blue. Blue is tone to tone very special embroidery added. That's a pista green, special dusty green tone. Dupatta added tone pants, contrast pants. Next, grey and peach. Grey color, peach color. Dupatta pants. In a full set. In a full set. It's soft. Dupatta double side. You can manage it. Stiff. That's green, light green, dark green blend. Dupatta pants. Next one is violet and black. Dark violet and black. Tasser printed a special type of Tasser lovers pants. Trim collections material added online purchase and through purchase. Thank you.